I'm going to show you the agent scheduling feature. To do this, simply go to the details of any agent. You can access it here or directly from the organization's Mates page. Once on this screen, you'll notice a new scheduling tab. When you open it, you'll see a list which is currently empty. Just create your first schedule. Give it a name. For example, Daily Market Overview. You can set it to run daily at 9 o'clock every day of the week. Choose your destination. Select a workspace where your daily overviews will be saved. All your schedules will be stored in this folder at that time. At this step, write your message. Think of it as the first message in a conversation, where you can include all the instructions for your mate. With these instructions, the mate will use its tools as if it's receiving a first message. All these tools use the user connections of the person who creates the schedule. Add the message with the instructions needed for a daily market analysis, then save it. By doing this, you'll add an entry in the schedule section. Next, check its status to see if it's active. You can also view the frequency, last run, last execution, and the destination. It's possible to activate, deactivate, edit any settings, or delete it. Once everything is scheduled, simply wait for the next trigger. Later, you'll see a notification at the place chosen for the schedule. When you check your notifications, you'll see that the daily market overview completed by your mate market analyst is ready. By opening this conversation, you'll find the prompt selected in the schedule, as well as the response from market analyst. This one has done a perplexity search according to the instructions in your message. After that, it's up to you to dig deeper into the result as needed. To monitor different schedules, go to your Profile menu, where you now have access to Mate scheduling. Here you'll see a schedule for Market Analyst. You can check its frequency daily at 9 o'clock, and its last execution today. This lets you deactivate it directly here or go to the agent's page to change its content.